In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set permissions for teammates in Basecamp. Before we make any changes, it helps to understand how Basecamp thinks about access. There are three main user types. Employees are your coworkers. They can create projects and add people to projects, and if you grant them extra rights, they can act as admins or even owners. Outside collaborators are guests, such as contractors or partners. They can be added to specific projects, but they can't create new projects or invite others. Clients are external people who work only inside the projects you share with them. They're intentionally limited. They can't create projects, invite people, or change settings. Keep these differences in mind because user type determines what someone can see and do across your account. To adjust someone's role at the account level, start on your home screen in Basecamp. From there, go to Admin Land, typically located at the top right. Open Manage People, then find the person you want to update. Click the Options button next to their name, the three dots, and choose Change Access. Here, you can switch their account type or grant admin or owner privileges if appropriate. When you're finished, save your changes. If you don't see Admin Land, you likely don't have admin or owner rights yourself, so you'll need someone with those permissions to make the change. Permissions also operate within individual projects. Open the project you want to manage and select. Set up people near the top of the screen. You'll see the project roster. Use Add People to invite teammates and collaborators, or remove someone from the same area if their access should end. By default, anyone added to a project can view and interact with everything in that project, unless their user type places limits on them. For example, clients only see what you explicitly share with them inside that project. Each project can be set to All Access or Invite Only. All Access lets any member of your company join on their own, which is handy for open, cross-functional work. Invite Only restricts access to the people you choose, which is ideal for sensitive or private initiatives. Only the project creator, admins, or owners can change this setting, so make sure the right person is managing that choice. That's it. Use account-level roles to set broad capabilities, then fine-tune access inside each project to keep work visible to the right people and private where it needs to be.